Electronic drums are a great way to play, practice and have a lot of drumming fun. But how many of us are using them to their full potential? Are we really getting the most from our drum set? My name is Jules and I have years of specialist experience in electronic drums with Roland, and in this video I'll be giving you some pointers and top tips to help you enjoy your drumming sessions even more. Let's start by taking a look at the module itself. So many of us will audition all the preset kits, choose a few of our favourites, and that's where we'll go to every time we switch on and play the drum set forevermore. But do that and you're really missing out. Many electronic drum sets are like a warehouse full of kick drums, snares, toms and cymbals. You can mix and match any of these instruments to build your own drum kits, and then even change tuning, damping, shell and cymbal sizes, and a lot more to really personalise the sound. Finding or creating new kit sounds will provide new inspiration and can freshen up your eDrums. If you're concerned about editing an existing kit or changing settings, don't be. You can duplicate and copy preset kits to user kit spaces and then go in and edit them. This way you'll have the original kit untouched and ready to play, and a copy that you can mess about with without worry. You can also find extra ready-made kits online and in cloud services to download and install in the module. These are often paid, but it will give you some great sounds made by experts that are ready to use. Next is using a click track and coach function. Being a good drummer is all about timing and pocket or groove, and playing with a click is a perfect way to help you do that. Start by playing a sticking or a groove slowly to help dial in your stick control and develop your inner clock. You can edit the click for number of beats in the bar and note subdivisions so that you can play to different time signatures and feels. But where things really get fun is using a coach function in combination with a click. A coach can measure your timing accuracy, telling you whether you're playing on, ahead or behind of the beat. You can also use functions like quiet count, which drops a bar of the click while you carry on playing to see how well you can hold time. If you really fancy challenging yourself, try playing a fill-in in that bar. It's a lot of fun, but it'll improve your drumming at the same time. Many modules today have a Bluetooth audio function. This allows you to stream audio wirelessly from a device like a smartphone, tablet or laptop into the module. This is great if you're watching a video lesson, as you are now on Drum Channel, while playing along on the electronic drum set. Not only will you hear the audio from the video, but you'll hear the drum set audio through the headphones or monitor as well. If you like playing along with your favourite tracks, this is a great way to do it. Some modules have the ability to record your drumming. If you really want to hear how you're getting on, listening back to your playing will give you a real sense of how you're progressing. You can record yourself with click or even playing along with a track. I've cut demo tracks many times by recording drums in the module. For example, if my guitarist sends me a rough song with a guitar and vocal line, I copy that to SD card and then play that track from the card using the module. I drum along, and when I'm ready, I can record a stereo drum track. I can then export that track to SD card, whether with the song, in the recording, or as drums only. I can then share that audio WAV file that I just recorded back with my guitarist, and suddenly we have a stereo drum track to cut into the demo. Electronic drums have a MIDI output, and that allows them to send the trigger signal to computers and laptops. This has got a number of uses and benefits. For recording, it provides you with a MIDI map of your performance. This allows you to trigger instrument software or even play the performance back through the module to re-record the sound. If you want to change the original sound you recorded, the MIDI data makes that possible to replay your performance, adjust the drum sound, and then re-record it without having to play the whole performance or take again. The MIDI signal also allows you to trigger software such as virtual instruments and tuition software like Melodics. Using the MIDI function allows you to expand your sound and connect with helpful production and creativity tools. Something else to check out on your electronic drum sound module is audio outputs. If you want to record audio from your electronic drums or use them live, then having drums on separate channels really helps with mixing. Just like recording acoustic drums, you might want the kick and snare, toms, cymbals and overheads all on separate channels in the mixer for better control and post-production. Some modules, like the one we have here, has individual outputs with the ability to route different drums or cymbals to any output you choose, giving great control in the studio and on the stage. Discover this feature and the engineer and your bandmates will thank you for it. Every module and each brand of electronic drums is slightly different, so not everything I've talked about may be in your drums. But this video will certainly give you some things to look out for and to try for yourself. There's also further videos in the electronic drum series on Drum Channel, so be sure to check those out.